Sorry, my dear. I actually pressed. I was moving my hands, my fingers, and then I pressed the power off button. I'm so sorry. Really, teacher. Okay, let's continue. Let me share my screen. Okay, so we are in number one or two.
We were number one.
Okay, so students should study the news in school.
I think that students not need to study new in school because some just a passenger belong say that a new sometimes is hard to student understand.
Hmm. Well, yes, and also news change every day. A news ch hmm, news changes every day, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Number two, students should only read newspaper articles during their news class.
Actually, I think most of students don't have new class, so they should not only read new when they have that.
Yeah, when they have time, right?
Yes.
Okay. Number three, students shouldn't study the news until they are in high school. Ah, I know your answer.
um,
I know what you're going to say.
I think that student
Mm-hmm.
um, not need, yes, not need. I agree with that one. Student not need to study the new when they are in high school.
Yes. I know that was what you're going to say. Okay. Questions about this one?
No question.
No questions. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next one. Ah, ha, ha, ha. This one is working from home, Unit 15. Mm-hmm. Let's take a deep breath, teacher. Okay. So, most people have to get up early in the morning to go to work. They need to work all day long. After finishing work, they need to travel home again. Will it be better if we work from home?
Um,
No, whatever you
yeah.
say, I will listen. Why? Why yeah? What's with yeah? Is that yeah, no, or yeah, yes? Which one?
I think that I agree with when we working at home because it easy. Just because it's easy more to working.
Well, yes, that's true. It's easy. It's just like me right now. I can have my lunch break. After you, I can have another lunch break if I want to. And I think the best part is when you're sick, you can work if you want to because you're just staying at home. And after you finish work, you can already go lie down because my bed is at the back actually. The bed is at the back. So yeah, if you see me lost, it means I'm laying down. Okay. So let's proceed to the activity. Most adults work for 8 hours a day. Imagine that you are working at home. Complete the table below. Tell us where you will work, what time you will start and finish work, and what things you will do in your free time. Tell your partner about your day.
Mm, the second I would like to sleeping at the morning, so I will choose 8 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
And the finish time I will choose 5 p.m.
5 p.m. That's too early, my dear.
Yes,
What's
I
that
will
again?
what is it?
What time will we start?
In 9 a.m.
9 a.m. And finish time?
5 p.m.
Okay. So what is your break time?
Mm, I will just laying out and relax.
What will you do with that 15 minutes break?
Just relax and going out to feed my cat and just talking.
Do you know what I usually do at my break?
What do you do?
Where is it? This one, and then I just do that. That's what I do for 15 minutes. And then sometimes you will check the time and like, oh, I'm late. I'm late for work. Oh my God, like that. That's what happens most of the time. Wait a moment. Yeah, that's true, my dear. I hope I'm lying, but I'm not. Okay. So it's good that you're productive during your break. Sometimes I go and drink coffee. And you know what's the worst part if you're working from home? This
What is that?
happened many times to me. I'm eating in the dinner table, eating my dinner, laughing, happy. And then all of a sudden I remember, oh, I have a lesson. I'm going. Yeah, that happens most of the time, no matter how long you've been working from home already. Okay, how about your lunchtime or dinner time? What will you do on your lunchtime aside from eating lunch?
That's the
Because
only
that's
thing
one
I
hour.
think about.
Uh-huh.
The luncheon. I have
Mm-hmm.
nothing to do. I only think about eating and sleeping.
Mm. Okay. Sleeping, yes. It's important for you to sleep during lunchtime because, it gets tiring. So how about reason? Break time, the afternoon break time.
Mm, watching sunset, the sunset,
Oh, yes, drinking coffee also, or something.
sightseeing, like that.
Okay. So now let's have number one. Does working at home sound like a good idea?
Sound interesting because I can relax anytime I want.
Yes, you could be in a meeting and like, okay, I'm listening. Yes, go ahead, you talk. I did that once when I was tired. I know, not tired, sick. I had to work, so I had like, okay, yes, I'm listening while taking a quick nap. Next one, number two. If you work at home, what clothes will you wear and why?
Just putting on the customer is good. I think I will choose the uh clothes that I feeling comfortable. Only that.
Mm, okay. What is the best room to work in at home?
Bedroom.
Why
Yes,
bedroom?
bedroom is good because it's quiet and I can after work I can go in onto the bed and sleep. Yes.
Well, yes, that's true. It's like this. This is how far my bed is. I'm sitting at my chair right now, and if I stand, I'm sitting at the bed. Yeah, I'm just sharing. Okay, so it's fun, my dear. It's a fun experience, but the disadvantage is you will get used to it. You do not want to go outside anymore. Or you will never like to go out again. That's one problem. Mm-hmm. Yes.
I
Do you
think
want that?
no, but actually I'm not going out for 1 week. Not going out to walking or something like that. I just going to the first floor, buying some government no
Mm-hmm.
clothes, and
Yeah.
I come back to my home. Not going anywhere.
Ah, you don't like going out. Well,
Yes.
that's nice, my dear.
Not that
Mm-hmm.
lazy.
Yeah, and the best part is you can travel while working. If you
Oh,
have, yeah, if you have a good equipment. For example, I can bring my laptop to my grandma's home if we ever go there, like that. Okay, so now I guess we can proceed to the reading. Are you ready?
yeah.
Okay, so this is a reading about working at home.
Going to work 5 or 6 days a week is tiring. This day, however, technology have really improved. As a result, we can do all our work at home. More and more people are working from home, but it is a good way to work. Some people
Mhm,
say that working from home is an excellent idea. One reason is that workers don't have to commute to work every day. As a result, people will have more time to work or do another activity. Another benefit is that people who work at home have more happier. They can work in any room that they like. They can eat snacks, and they don't have to sit next to annoying coworkers. Some people say that working from home is has problems. One problem is that people may not notice to work because they both cannot see what they're doing. At home, there are too many functions to do, such as watching television, playing computer games, or just surfing the internet. Another problem is that workers who stay at home cannot easily meet another worker to discuss work. This means that workers will not carry out their engagement very well.
So which parts do you agree and disagree with?
Um, I'm thinking. I think that the second bus is good, but I
This
could
one?
like to agree with the
This
one.
is good? Or this one? Which one? This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. So which one?
The second,
The second one. Ah, okay. Why?
because I'm just saying that it's a good thing to do. And I will be like to working at home, not working with an officer.
Ah, yes. Oh, but my dear, it's easy to say that because it's true. But we should also consider that you will meet coworkers that makes working fun. I have that coworker, and even though she's not working with us anymore, we're still friends. Yeah, we still communicate a lot. That's the best thing about working from home. You communicate online, so if they stop working one day, You can still continue communicating online. That's nice. Okay. How about the disadvantages? What disadvantage do you agree with?
Mm, yes, I agree with the one say that there are too many things to do.
Well, yes. That happens to me most of the time too. Yeah. Or sometimes, for example, you and then let's say you will be absent. I will surf the internet or maybe play my video games. I'm like, yes, 1 hour of free time for video games like that or sleep. But I most of the time sleep. Okay, any other questions about this text reading? Question.
I think working at home are become more popular these days. But I think about 10 years ago, working at home are the trending idea.
But for
Yeah,
example, if everyone will work at home, do you think that's nice?
no.
Everyone.
We,
Why?
everyone working at home who will the where we can go and buy the thing that we want.
Well,
I'm
yes.
thinking about it.
Working at an office is still different than working at home, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's proceed to our comprehension check. Are you ready?
yeah.
Okay. So number one, why can people work from home these days?
Because the technology are going up.
Okay, number three and number two, why will people who work from home have more free time?
Because they not need to travel.
Mm. Okay, number three, workers who work from home will be happier. Why?
Because they can have a break after every lesson, every essay that they are working,
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else?
and they have more free time to play.
Yeah, for example, at an office, 5 minutes free time is only a little time. But if you're at home, within 5 minutes, you can sweep the floor, you can fold the clothes, you can clean your table, clean the house. So you can do a lot of things, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, number four. Why may people who work at home not be motivated to work?
but they more motivated.
Can you say it again?
What is that word mean?
Okay. The word motivated, it means like liking to do something. Inspired. Do you know the word inspired?
No.
You don't know
Mm,
inspired? It's like you want to do things. Ah,
yeah,
let's use a translator instead because I think it's different for you. Google Translate. There you go.
yes, mm,
Okay. Do you now know the meaning?
yes. Mm,
Okay. So now Why may people who work at home not be motivated to work?
Because the boss is not here, so they can do whatever they want.
Okay, very good. Number five, why will workers who work at home not carry out their assignments very well?
Mm, because they are not connect with another people, another worker.
Okay, very good. So it's not easy to connect with, this often happens to, for example, I work with you, and then if you will connect with me because we have a task, I will not do it because, you cannot reach me. I'm not in the office, so you cannot find me. I can just turn off my cell phone and say that I'm sick. But that's not nice. Lying is not nice. Okay, questions or anything to say?
No.
Okay, so let's have our vocabulary check. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so
Mm,
we will complete each sentence with, we have to enter the classroom again before that.
yes.
Okay, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, Nessa.